Hey, if you are wondering how you can charge your Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro, then there's actually multiple ways how you can do this. The first one, you can just use a wireless charger, and I'm actually using this one. This is like $2 or $3 from Amazon, so you don't even have to get some original fancy charger. You can just get this cheap one and take a look. Once you actually put the case with the both earbuds inside, this indicator will start blinking, which means that your device is charging. You can also do this by using cables. So here I have my cable. I'm using this for almost everything, transferring data, charging devices, and it's actually connected into my PC all the time. So now if I'm gonna put it here, also the indicator start blinking. And you can also use power adapters. So you can use basically any power adapter from your phone, from your tablet, from one of your devices. You don't have to purchase any original adapters, but of course, if you have one, then it will be a little bit safer to use it. If you have, for example, powerful adapter like 100 watts, 125 watts, or 60 watts, you can still use them easily with your Soundcore. It's gonna basically limit the power of your power adapter, and don't worry, you are not gonna damage your case or, for example, the earbuds. And that's basically everything that you have to know about this charging. That's all.